Disclaimer: this article is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Abbot Laboratories, NYSE, ABT, a comprehensive stock analysis. Abbot Laboratories, NYSE, ABT, is a prominent player in the healthcare sector, renowned for its diversified portfolio spanning medical devices, diagnostics, nutrition, and pharmaceuticals. As of May 24, 2025, Abbott stock is trading at $131.30, reflecting a slight decline of 0.26% from the previous close. This analysis delves into the company's financial performance, growth prospects, and potential risks to provide investors with a well-rounded perspective. Company overview: founded in 1888 and headquartered in Abbot Park, Illinois, Abbott Laboratories has evolved into a global healthcare giant. The company's operations are segmented into four primary divisions. Wikipedia Medical Devices includes products like the Freestyle Libre continuous glucose monitoring system and the Mitra Clip for heart valve repair. Manixar AI Plus 6 Manixar AI Plus 6 Reddit Plus 6 Diagnostics encompasses molecular diagnostics and point-of-care testing solutions. Manixar AI Plus 1 Manixar AI Plus 1 Nutrition offers products such as Ensure and Similac. Wikipedia Established Pharmaceuticals focuses on branded generic medicine in emerging markets. Wikipedia Abbott's commitment to innovation is evident in its robust R&D pipeline, which includes several promising new products and technologies. Manixar AI Plus 5 Manixar AI Plus 5 Manixar AI Plus 5 Financial performance: in the first quarter of 2025, Abbott reported revenues of $10.36 billion, slightly missing analyst expectations of $10.41 billion. Adjusted earnings per share, EPS, were $1.09, surpassing estimates and marking an 11% year-over-year increase. The medical device segment was a key growth driver, with sales increasing by 10% to $4.9 billion. Reddit Plus 4 MarketWatch Plus 4 Investors Business Daily Plus 4 Investors Business Daily Investopedia Plus 1 MarketWatch Plus 1 For the full year 2025, Abbott reaffirmed its guidance, projecting adjusted EPS between $5.05 and $5.25 and organic sales growth of 7.5%, 8.5%. MarketBeat Plus 2 Investors Business Daily Plus 2 MarketWatch Plus 2 Growth Drivers. 1. Freestyle Libre and Diabetes Care. Abbott's Freestyle Libre system has revolutionized diabetes management with its continuous glucose monitoring technology. The company aims to achieve $10 billion in sales for the Freestyle Libre by 2028, capitalizing on the growing global demand for diabetes care solutions. Manixar AI Plus 4 Manixar AI Plus 4 Reddit Plus 4 Manixar AI. 2. Molecular diagnostics. The molecular infectious disease testing market is projected to reach $17.78 billion by 2029, growing at a CAGR of 13.7%. Abbott's advancements in PCR-based and next-generation sequencing diagnostics position it well to capture a significant share of this expanding market. Manixar AI Plus 1 Manixar AI Plus 1 Manixar AI. 3. Weight management and nutrition. Abbott's entry into the weight loss market with its Protality brand addresses the nutritional needs of individuals using GLP-1 medications. This strategic move diversifies Abbott's product offerings and taps into the burgeoning weight management sector. Manixar AI Plus 1 Reuters Plus 1 Risks and Challenges. 1. Legal liabilities. Abbott faces approximately 1,000 lawsuits alleging that its pediatric nutrition formulas caused necrotizing enterocolitis, NEC, in infants. A jury recently awarded $495 million in a case related to this issue. Reuters Plus 1 Wikipedia Plus 1 Investopedia Plus 2 Wikipedia Plus 2 MarketBeat Plus 2. 2. Tariff impacts. The company anticipates a cost of a few $100 million in the second half of 2025 due to new tariffs, expected to take effect during Q3. Market Watch +1 Baron'(S+1). 3. Competitive pressures. Abbot operates in highly competitive markets, facing rivalry from companies like Johnson & Johnson, Roche, Medtronic, Danaher, and bioMérieux. In the continuous glucose monitoring market, Abbott competes with Dexcom and Medtronic, while in molecular diagnostics, it competes with Danaher and Roche. Market Watch +3 Monexar AI +3 Monexar AI +3 Dividend Profile. Abbott is a dividend aristocrat, having increased its dividend for 52 consecutive years. The current dividend yield stands at 1.66%, reflecting the company's commitment to returning value to shareholders. Reddit Monexar AI Analyst Outlook. Analysts maintain a positive outlook on Abbott, with an average price target of $131.93. The company's diversified portfolio, strong financial performance, and growth prospects contribute to this favorable sentiment. Market Beat +1 Monexar AI +1 Conclusion. Abbott Laboratories presents a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking exposure to the healthcare sector. The company's diversified business model, strong financials, and strategic growth initiatives position it well for long-term success. However, potential investors should consider the associated risks, including legal liabilities and competitive pressures, and conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. Disclaimer: this article is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Mobile phone emoji. Apple Incorporated, AAPL. Stock analysis. Current stock price, $195.27. Market cap, $3.28 trillion. PE ratio, 33.72. EPS, $6.42. Recent performance. Apple's stock has experienced a decline of 22% in 2025, underperforming its tech peers. Investors Business Daily. Stock Scan +2 Stock Scan +2 Reddit +2 Reddit +3 Investopedia +3 WSJ +3 Left magnifying glass emoji. Key factors influencing Apple stock. 1. Trade tensions and tariff threats. President Trump's recent threat to impose a 25% tariff on Apple products unless manufacturing is shifted to the US has added pressure on the company's stock. Analysts suggest that relocating iPhone production to the US is impractical due to high costs and extended timelines. Wall Street Journal +2 Investors Business Daily +2 Investopedia +2. 2. Manufacturing shifts to India. In response to geopolitical pressures, Apple is accelerating its manufacturing shift to India, with projections indicating that 60 to 65% of iPhones could be produced there by fall 2025. The Times of India. 3. Legal and regulatory challenges. Apple faces scrutiny from US judges, European regulators, and lawmakers concerning its App Store practices, including high developer fees and child user verification laws. These legal disputes could impact its lucrative $20 billion deal with Google. Wall Street Journal. 4. AI integration and competitive pressures. Competitors, particularly OpenAI with former Apple designer Johnny Ive, are introducing potentially disruptive AI-driven devices. Despite Apple's historical success in entering markets late, with superior products, it currently lags in AI integration. Wall Street Journal. Chart with upwards trend emoji. Analyst forecasts. Analyst projections for Apple's stock price in 2025 vary. StockScan.io. Average price of $277.26, with a high of $334.50 and a low of $220.02. StockScan Coin Price Forecast. Mid-year price of $252, rising to $279 by year-end. Light Finance long forecast projects a range between $246 and $502, with a year-end estimate of $460. Light Finance Plus One Reddit Plus One, personal computer emoji, Dell Technologies Incorporated, DELL, stock analysis current stock price, $112 and 11 cents market cap, approximately $40 billion recent performance. Dell stock has nearly doubled this year, reflecting strong investor confidence. Baron apostrophe S plus 5 stocks and plus 5 Reddit plus 5 Baron apostrophe S plus 2 Reddit plus 2 Investopedia plus 2, left magnifying glass emoji, key factors influencing Dell stock. 1. AI server demand. Dell's Infrastructure Solutions Group, ISG, reported a 22% revenue increase in Q4 FY 2025, driven by strong demand for AI servers and storage solutions. The company's AI server backlog has reached $9 billion, with expectations of at least $15 billion in AI server shipments for FY 2026. Reddit plus one. 2. Strategic investments and partnerships. Dell has announced an 18% increase in annual dividends and a $10 billion increase in share repurchase authorization, indicating confidence in future cash flow. The company is also expanding its AI offerings in collaboration with NVIDIA to accelerate the adoption and innovation of AI technologies. Reddit. 3. Financial performance for FY 2025. Dell reported revenue of $95.6 billion, an 8% year-over-year increase, alongside record earnings per share of $8.14. The company's operating expenses were reduced by 4%, resulting in improved operating income of $8.5 billion. Reddit plus one, chart with upwards trend emoji, analyst forecasts. Analyst projections for Dell's stock price in 2025 suggest continued growth. StockScan.io, average price of $109.36, with a high of $134.57 and a low of $84.15. StockScan City raised its price target to $170, citing Dell's potential to capitalize on the AI boom. Reddit, brain emoji, conclusion. Both Apple Incorporated and Dell Technologies are navigating complex landscapes, influenced by geopolitical tensions, technological advancements, and market dynamics. Apple faces challenges related to trade policies, regulatory scrutiny, and competition in AI, while Dell is poised to benefit from the growing demand for AI infrastructure. Investors should consider these factors and conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. Wall Street Journal plus one Investopedia plus one disclaimer. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Brain emoji. Introduction. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, stands as a cornerstone in the global semiconductor industry. As the world's largest dedicated independent semiconductor foundry, TSMC plays a pivotal role in the production of advanced chips that power a multitude of devices, from smartphones to artificial intelligence, AI systems. This analysis delves into TSMC's financial performance, technological advancements, market position, and the challenges it faces, providing a comprehensive overview for investors and industry observers. Investors Business Daily +8 Nasdaq +8 The Motley Fool +8 bar chart emoji, financial performance, chart with upwards trend emoji, Q1 2025 highlights. In the first quarter of 2025, TSMC reported robust financial results. Revenue, $839.25 billion Taiwan dollars, approximately $25.53 billion US dollar, marking a 41.6% year-over-year increase. Net income, $361.56 billion Taiwan dollars, up 60.3% year-over-year. Earnings per share, EPS 13 Taiwan dollars and 94 cents to US dollars and 12 cents per American depository receipt, reflecting a 60.4% increase from the previous year. Gross margin, 58.8% operating margin, 48.5% Nasdaq +6 michaelburry.com +6 Reuters +6. These figures underscore TSMC's operational efficiency and its ability to capitalize on the growing demand for advanced semiconductor technologies. Trading News +12 michaelburry.com +12 Trading News +12 chart with downwards trend emoji. Geopolitical challenges. Despite its strong financial performance, TSMC faces significant geopolitical risks, particularly concerning tensions between Taiwan and China. Any escalation could disrupt operations and impact the global supply chain for advanced semiconductors. Investors are advised to consider these risks when evaluating TSMC's stock. Trading News +1 Reuters +1 Microscope emoji, technological advancements, brain emoji, AI and high-performance computing, HPC. TSMC's advanced process nodes, including 3 nanometers and 5 nanometers technologies, are integral to the production of AI chips for data centers, smartphones, and personal computers. Company plans to increase the production capacity of its advanced chip nodes by 50% by 2027, positioning itself to capitalize on the booming demand for AI and HPC applications. Captide +11 Nasdaq +11 The Motley Fool +11 DNA emoji. 2 nanometers process node. TSMC is at the forefront of developing its 2 nanometers process node, which is expected to enter mass production in the second half of 2025. This technology promises to deliver chips that are more energy efficient, with improved performance metrics, catering to the evolving needs of AI and HPC applications. Nasdaq +2 The Motley Fool +2 Reddit +2 Africa emoji. Market position and clientele. TSMC's client base includes industry giants such as Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Sony, Samsung, and MediaTek. These partnerships underscore TSMC's dominant position in the semiconductor foundry market. The company's ability to secure and maintain relationships with these leading firms is a testament to its technological prowess and reliability. Nasdaq +10 The Motley Fool +10 michaelburry.com +10 Building construction emoji. Capital expenditure and expansion plans, money bag emoji. 2025 capital expenditure. TSMC has allocated a capital expenditure (CapEx) budget of $38.42 billion for 2025, with approximately 70% directed towards advanced process technologies. This investment reflects the company's commitment to enhancing its manufacturing capabilities and meeting the growing demand for advanced semiconductors. Captide +1 Trading News +1 USA emoji. U.S. expansion. In line with the U.S. government's CHIPS Act, TSMC is expanding its manufacturing footprint in the United States, particularly in Arizona. The company plans to invest up to $100 billion in U.S. facilities, aiming to bolster domestic semiconductor production and reduce reliance on overseas manufacturing. Star Captide, warning emoji, risks and considerations, recycle emoji, competitive pressures. TSMC faces competition from other semiconductor manufacturers, notably Intel, which is advancing its semiconductor technology. If Intel's processes prove more efficient or cost-effective, TSMC might face challenges in maintaining its market share. V-Star, high voltage sign emoji, operational costs. The company is experiencing escalating costs, particularly from higher electricity prices in Taiwan, and increased expenses associated with overseas fab construction. These factors could exert downward pressure on gross margins, potentially impacting profitability in the short to medium term. Trading News +3 V-Star +3 Captide +3 Crystal Ball emoji. Future outlook. Looking ahead, TSMC's financial outlook remains strong, with the company expected to continue benefiting from the growth of AI and other high-performance computing applications. Companies' strategic investments in advanced technologies and expansion into new markets position it well for sustained growth. However, investors should remain cognizant of the geopolitical and operational risks that could impact the company's performance. The Motley Fool +12 Trading News +12 Captai +12, Pushpin emoji, conclusion TSMC's leadership in semiconductor manufacturing, coupled with its strategic investments in advanced technologies and expansion into new markets, underscores its pivotal role in the global tech ecosystem. While the company faces certain risks, its robust financial performance and commitment to innovation position it well for future growth. Investors and industry stakeholders should continue to monitor TSMC's developments to assess its trajectory in the evolving semiconductor landscape. CRISPR Therapeutics, CRSP, Stock Analysis, May 2025 Disclaimer: this analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investors should conduct their own research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions.